Hey, what's up YouTube? Fritz No Limit here, and today I just wanted to talk about the Robinhood investing app. My account is now worth about $2,000, and I just kind of wanted to go over some stocks that I'm investing in and some opportunities to make more money in the future. So as you can see here, my stock portfolio is worth $2,337 right now, and these are just some of the stocks that I'm investing in. The first stock that I wanted to talk about is New York Management Trust. I have 134 shares in that stock worth about $806. The total time I've been investing in it, I've lost about $17, but I have an opportunity to make a lot of money from that stock. Stock has, it pays out 20 cents per share quarterly. So I'm making about $25, $26 a quarter from that stock of passive income that I don't have to work for. So it's going to make me over $100 this year. And I like that. And I want to just continue to grow that over time. The next stock that I invest in is called Sandridge Permian Trust. That stock, the company's about oil and natural gas reserves and selling that. Now this is a finite resource, so I'm not always going to invest in this stock. But the stock right now pays out about a 25% dividend yield. It pays about 9.5 cents per share. So I'm going to continue to invest in that in the future. The next stock is LXP. It's a REIT, so it's a real estate investment trust. Right now that stock is selling for $8.94 a share. I have 118 shares of that, and it pays out 17.75 cents per share quarterly. So that makes me about $20 a quarter. The next stock is AT&T. You know that's a cell phone company. They also invest in other kind of telecommunication ventures. That stock right now, I have 3 shares of that stock, and it pays 50 cents per share. So it's $1.50 per quarter. So I make $6 from that a year. And as you can see, it pays out 7% dividend yield, which is pretty good. And it's going to be around for a while. The next stock I'm pretty sure you're also familiar with. This stock is Coca-Cola. Right now it's trading for $45.35. I have 1 share of that, and it pays 40 cents per quarter with a 3% dividend yield, which is okay. And as you can see, it's beat its expected earnings per share every quarter. The next stock that I wanted to talk about is another real estate investment trust. It's Main Street Capital. That stock is trading for $38.44 per share right now. And this is a monthly stock, so it pays out 20 cents every single month for a total of $2.40 per year. And it has a nice dividend yield of about almost 7%. So every month I get that 20 cents no matter what on the 15th. The last stock that I wanted to talk about is a stock that I received as a free stock from someone signing up from my app. And this was a free stock that I received, so I made $6.16. And I think this stock only pays out roughly a penny every quarter. So really not much return, but it was a free stock, so I can't complain about it. And it's also beat its earnings per share every single quarter. So that's just, these are just some other companies that I'm looking at, maybe investing in the future. Apple, I think there's Nike on there, Starbucks, kind of high growth companies that are going to be around in the future. I want to continue to invest in those companies, and I also want to invest in some like index funds in the future. So what kind of stocks are you guys investing in? I just want to know. You can leave your comments down in the comment section below. And I just want to talk about my Robinhood app. If you wanted to join my team and just get some free stocks, there will be a link in the description. You know, it's totally, I'm not trying to coerce you into making that decision, but if you want to just get a free stock and try it out, then the link will be in the description. Thank you for taking the time out to watch my videos. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. That would be greatly appreciated, and I will be so very thankful. Have a good day, and continue to make that passive income, because we all want to retire earlier. We all don't want to work forever, and that should be a dream of everyone. All right, take care of yourselves.